Hello everyone, welcome to this section. In today's video, we're going to talk about exception handling in Python. So what is exception handling? In fact, exception handling in Python allows us to manage errors that occur during the execution of a program. So by using exceptions, we can prevent our program from crashing, and instead we can handle errors gracefully. So, for example, there are three common errors that we may have, for example, in Python or any other programming languages. For example, if we try to divide a number by zero, so we will have zero division error. It's not possible to do that in reality. Or if we want to access a variable that does not even exist, we are going to have name error. Or trying to open a file that does not exist, we are going to have file not found error. For example, here, I am having an example here, division by zero exception. So here, x equals 10 divided by zero. So this division will lead us to zero division error. And when I run this code, we see that there is a red line here. So we are having an error here. So the reason is because we cannot do this mathematically speaking, and we see it here, zero division error, division by zero. Okay, so it's not possible to do that. And also, another example here could be accessing an undefined variable. Here, I'm trying to print a variable called name that is not defined. So when I run this code, we are having errors, so the program crashes. So exception handling is going to help us to deal with these errors and prevent the program to be crashed. Here you see that it says name is not defined and we are having the program being crashed. So we need exception handling in order to prevent this crashing. This is why exception handling is very important. In the following videos, we're going to dive deeper into this concept in Python. Thank you for watching.